A million times more I thought about you. The years, the tears, the laughter, things we used to do. Our memories that warm like a sunny day. You touch my life in such a special way. I miss the way you run your fingers through my hair. These cozy nights we cuddle in your easy chair. I know I won't let falling's pride turn you away. I'll take you back whatever price I pay. Old friend, it's so nice to feel you hold me again. No, it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back home again. Remember those romantic walks we used to take. You held my hand in such a way my knees would shake. You can't imagine just how much I needed you. I never loved someone as I love you. Old friend, it's so nice to feel you hold me again. No, it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back, old friend. This is where our happy ending begins. Yes, I'm sure there's someone we're gonna win. Welcome back into my life again. Yes, I'll try to live my life without you, knowing I had lost my closest friend. Though I fell in love from time to time, knowing I will never find the kind of love I had when you were mine. Old friend, it's so nice to feel you hold me again. No, it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back, old friend. This is where our happy ending begins. Yes, I'm sure next time when we're gonna win. Welcome back into my life again. Welcome back into my life again. Welcome back into my life again.